Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the vehicle safe and accessible. Disconnect the negative battery and wait 5 minutes so capacitors discharge and modules reset. Next, remove the engine cover and any intake pieces that block the PCM and set fasteners in a tray because lost bolts cost time. Once done, label every harness and take reference photos of connector orientation and bracket locations so you know exactly how it all goes back together. You now remove the module. Unclip harness retainers and depress each locking tab because forcing connectors will bend pins. Once connectors are free, support the PCM with one hand while you remove mounting bolts and any attached heat shield. This prevents drops that damage the unit. Be careful to handle the module by its edges and avoid touching terminals or grounding it to the chassis, using anti-static practice so you don't introduce electrical damage during removal. You finish by installing the replacement. Seat the PCM, torque mounting bolts to spec, and reconnect heat shield and harnesses in the reverse order of removal. Then reconnect the battery, cycle the ignition to let modules initialize, clear codes with a scan tool, and perform any manufacturer-specific relearn. This ensures the engine management communicates properly. Test drive to confirm. If the truck won't crank or codes persist, recheck main grounds, connector seating, and pin integrity as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.